Hello guys, it's Dale here with a weekly trading ideas video for the week starting 12th of December 2022. Before I jump into the video, I'd like to show you my brand new website. It is at trader-dale.com. This is how the homepage looks. I hope you guys like the new look of the page. If you're interested in learning how to trade with order flow or with volume profile, then go over here where it says browse courses. And this is where you can get my best educational and indicator packs. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, then I recommend getting the lead pack. There's a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the lead pack. And if you're interested in getting the order flow and in learning how to trade with the order flow, then there's the order flow pack, right? Again, there is a video which you can watch and that will show you everything that's included in the order flow pack. If you are interested in both packs, then there's a special deal which you can get in here, right? So that's about the education and indicators and also about the new website. I hope you guys like the new look of it, and let me now switch over to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So the first trading idea that I like to talk about is on Bitcoin. So you're looking at Bitcoin chart. It is a 30-minute time frame, and in here I want to talk about volume accumulation setup. This is one of my favorite volume profile setups, and you can see it in here. First you need to see a rotation, and then that rotation needs to be followed by a strong trend activity like in here. The next thing is you use volume profile to look into volume distribution of this whole area. And what you want to see are heavy volumes in the rotation area before that trend. So in here we have a high volume zone from which strong trend activity started. This is telling us that buyers were building up long positions here, strong buyers, right? And those buyers then manipulated the price to move upwards. Now in here, this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 16,850, and this is a strong support because buyers from here are likely to defend this zone when the price makes it here again. So what we need to do now is just wait for a pullback to the support and take it from there, all right? As those buyers should become active and push the price upwards from this place again. So that's the volume accumulation setup on Bitcoin. Now let me switch over to another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Now you're looking at a 30-minute chart of the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and in here I also have the volume accumulation setup. So let me show you. There was this rotation, not that tight as on Bitcoin, but still heavy volumes were accumulated here, and from there strong trend activity started, right? Now this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 100.46, and this is the place where the price is likely to react. So we need to wait for a pullback, and when the price hits this heavy volume zone, then go short from there, as this is likely to work as a strong resistance. All right, sellers from here should defend this zone where they placed a lot of their shorts, and they should push the price downwards. So that's why this should work as a resistance, and the price should bounce off it. All right, so that's the resistance on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. The next pair I want to cover is New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. Again, we are looking at a 30-minute chart. And again, we'll be looking at the volume accumulation setup. So let me zoom it a little bit more and show you the setup again. It is this rotation, and from there, strong trend activity. And then again, another strong trend activity, right? So strong buyers are currently dominating the New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. And this is an important rotation because heavy volumes where I traded here. Now, as you can see, the beginning of that heavy volume zone was in here, and it was already tested. But I think that still there could be another reaction, because I still think that this wasn't properly tested, like those heavy volumes weren't properly tested. So I think that there could be another reaction to this level, which is a bit lower. It is at 0.8626, just behind this heavy volume zone. And what I like about this is that this aggressive buying activity actually started from this place, this green candle. You see that? Right after this pin bar. So pin bar shows the aggressivity of buyers, and then this green candle shows aggressivity of the buyers. So this is clearly the start. Those two candles, that's clearly the start of the strong buyers. And this is the place where the strong buying activity started from. So that's why I think there could be a reaction. Also, price was reacting to this area in the past, in here, also in here, which means that it worked as a resistance in the past, right? Because the price was bouncing off it. Now the resistance turned into a support because the price blew past that resistance, right? The resistance got breached and it turned into a new support. So those are the reasons why I think that this level could still work, that this heavy volume zone and this price action confirmation still haven't been properly tested, and that when there's a pullback, there still could be a nice reaction. All right, this is a little bit more risky because, as I already told you, there was this reaction at the beginning of that heavy volume zone. So this is a bit more risky trade to take long from here, but still I think it is worth the risk because of the reasons I told you. Right, so that's about that. That's about the analysis for today. And before I wrap this video up, let me announce the winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in our members area. Alright, so see you later, and until then, happy trading.